William Kentridge's Drawing for What Will Come, Landscape 4 from 2007, is an anamorphic artwork which employs a charcoal drawing laid flat under glass on a tabletop with a mirrored cylinder placed at its centre.
While the political subject matter of his works is often quite heavy, his art retains a certain lightness derived from his subtle use of metaphor, humour, irony, and a sense of the absurd, which we can certainly see in this work. One of his greatest strengths as an artist is his versatility and inventiveness when it comes to mediums and techniques. William Kentridge was born into a Jewish family in Johannesburg in 1955. His parents were both lawyers and advocates for people marginalised by the apartheid system, including Nelson Mandela, who his father represented in the 1956 treason trial. So as you can imagine, Kentridge's practice is largely informed by South Africa's history and ongoing socio-political climate.
Kentridge's anamorphic images assume their proper form only when viewed through the cylinder at a particular angle by the viewer. Drawing on the idea of the picture puzzle which originated in the 16th century, Kentridge explores the nature of human emotions and memories, the quest for cultural identity and ingrained history, all the while dedicated to issues of sight in his work. What I really love about this particular work, Drawing for What Will Come 2007, is that it employs three of his disciplines which he absolutely excels at. That is sculpture, drawing, and film.